If you want to sync Todoist with Outlook Calendar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to connect both apps, how to control what shows up from Outlook inside Todoist, and how to send your Todoist tasks into Outlook so your schedule stays organized in one place. This is a super useful setup if you manage work, personal tasks, meetings, and deadlines across different platforms. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple productivity tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into the Todoist web app or open the Todoist desktop application. Once you're signed in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click your avatar or profile icon. This opens your account and settings area. From there, select settings and then click the calendars tab. Inside the calendars section, you'll see the option to connect a calendar service. Click Connect Outlook Calendar. Todoist will now ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and log in using the account that contains the Outlook calendar you want to connect. During this step, Microsoft will show you a list of permission boxes. Make sure to check all required permissions so Todoist can access the calendar data and complete the connection properly. Once everything is approved, the integration will begin linking your accounts. Now that the connection is in place, let's talk about what you can control. If you want to see Outlook events inside Todoist, you can choose which Outlook folders should appear. Just check the folders you want to show, or uncheck the ones you want to hide. This is a great way to keep your Todoist view clean and only display the calendars that matter most. These appointments will then appear at the top of your today and upcoming views, so you can see meetings and events right alongside your tasks. Next, if you want Todoist tasks to appear in Outlook, turn on Sync Tasks to Calendar. When you enable this option, Todoist automatically creates a new calendar folder inside Outlook called Todoist. That folder is where your synced tasks will appear, making it much easier to manage your schedule in Outlook without manually copying every task over. If you also work with tasks that don't have a specific time, you may want to enable Sync All-Day Tasks. This is especially helpful for tasks that only have a due date, but no exact time block. Once this option is turned on, those all-day items will sync over to Outlook too, so your due date only tasks still stay visible in your calendar workflow. After you've chosen the folders and sync options that fit your workflow, take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything looks right. If something doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time to refresh and sync across both services. In most cases, your Outlook events and Todoist tasks will start showing up automatically once the connection is active. This setup is really helpful if you want a clearer view of your day, reduce duplicate planning, and keep both your calendar and task list connected. Instead of jumping between apps, you can keep everything aligned in a way that works for your schedule. If this video helped you learn how to sync Todoist with Outlook Calendar, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. And if you want more productivity app guides, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.